Pikit ang iyong mga matang, maniwalang kaya mo. Haharapin, lalaban, walang susuko. Makakarating hanggang dulo. Maraming tanong, paano ba ito? May pag-alinlangan, may pagdududa. Kailangan lang tuklasin, ano ba ang kaya mo? Ngumiti ka lang, bagong pag-asa'y naghihintay. Huwag kang matakot, kaya mo, kaya mo. Nagdadalawang isip, nanginginig, tumutulo ang luha, nagagalit. Gusto ko na lamang pumikit, pipilitin kong kumapit. Pangangamba ko'y mawawalan na, nararamdaman ng panibagong pag-asa. Ito na ang simula, bahagari nakikita na. Ngumiti ka lang, bagong pag-asa'y naghihintay. Huwag kang matakot, kaya mo, kaya mo. Ngumiti ka lang, bagong pag-asa'y naghihintay. Huwag kang matakot, kaya mo. Ngumiti ka lang, bagong pag-asa'y naghihintay. Huwag kang matakot, kaya mo, kaya mo, kaya mo.
And we're live. Hello po, good evening po sa lahat. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Yes, good evening po. Wow, ang dami naman natin dito sa comments. Yes, good evening po. Sana po nakapag-dinner na po kayo. Magandang gabi. Kindly like and share this video to your friends, no? Ipaalam po natin sa kanila ang magandang balita. So, sabayan po para makasabay po sila, no, sa review natin tonight. Yes, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Is my audio clear lang po ba? Naririnig lang po ba ng maayos? And hindi po ba masyadong lag yung video? Okay lang po ba? Kindly comment po sa teka, tingnan ko muna dito sa YouTube kasi parang may delay dito sa sa StreamYard. Okay lang po ba? Kindly comment po. Okay, so clear lang po. That's nice to hear. All right, now good evening everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Coach Reglan May Elanan, and I took the licensure examination for professional teachers last March 2023. And by God's grace, I landed as one of the top notchers. And I am a science major po. Ang topic po natin tonight would be general education and general science po. Okay? So, lahat po applicable po ito, hindi lang po sa mga science majors natin dyan, pati po kasi ang mga questions po natin ngayon ay general education. Alright? So, pwede nyo po Hala, familiar ka, coach. Baka po nakita niyo po ako sa ibang, lecture niyo po, kaya po siguro familiar. Alright, so I am a science major and by God's grace, mataas po yung rating ko sa science which is 95 and I also passed the civil service examination and currently I am a college instructor at Cebu's both Memorial Colleges and continuing pa po yung Master of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management and by God's grace I am ranked 1 po sa batch namin no, sa CRMC or that's Cebu's both Memorial Colleges. All right. So I guess that would be all about me. And okay, before we'll start, I would like to share this one to you. I want you to have visualize, no, to have this clear um visualization kung ano po yung resulta ng board exam. Dapat positive po yung mind natin, no? Positive mindset. Alam niyo po ba, scientifically proven na po yan. Maraming studies about how powerful our mind. No? So, kung ano po yung nire-resonate natin sa universe na energy, if is magigive, it would also, the universe would also give that back to us. So, talagang wala bang sound? Sa iba diyan, meron po bang sound? So, kindly, um, confirm lang po sa comments. Siguro po sir, baka po sa internet niyo 'no? So, i-visualize niyo na po ha, i-claim na po natin na may lisensya na tayo this summer, oh, kasi March yung exam at lalabas yung result sa May po 'yan. Okay? So, you visualize your success. And I would just like to share this one. Nakita ko 'to yesterday sa post ni Coach Mec sa kanyang Facebook account. And parang napaluha-luha ako nang mabasa ko ito. According to this quote, success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing. Ito po yung palagi kong sinasabi. Kailangan mahalin natin kung ano yung ginagawa natin. O nandito pa no, hard work, perseverance. Kung nahihirapan ka ngayon, masasabi ko po, I would say it would be normal kung kinakabahan ka, it would be normal. Kasi kung ibig sabihin lang dun kung kinakabahan ka, pinapahalagahan mo ang board exam, 'di ba? So so normal lang po 'yan. I understand every one of you kung ano po yung, nararamdaman niyo ngayon kasi pinagdaanan ko din 'yan, 'no? So, I know makaka-relate po kayo. So dapat po paghihirapan po natin 'to. Mas maganda po kapag nakuha na natin ang lisensya na alam mo pinaghirapan ko 'to, deserve ko 'to, 'di ba? Oh, so kailangan, i-manifest na po natin, ha? So, need talaga ng sacrifice, alright? So, yon. And love of what you are doing or learning to do. Love of what you are learning. Okay? Sige po. Sige. So, without further ado, magsisimula po tayo sa question number 1. Ang gagawin lang po natin is you comment your answers with the number. Okay, lagyan niyo for example, yung sagot niyo sa number 1, 1 o yung sagot mo letter A or 1 or letter B yung sagot mo or letter C. So bigyan niyo po ng lagyan niyo po ng number, okay? Sige, magsisimula tayo sa question number 1. A simple food chain consists of the following. A cobworm that feeds on the corn is eaten by the small bird, and this bird is then eaten by the hook. Now, what will happen to the organisms involved in the food chain if the worm is killed by pesticides? O ganito yung mangyayari na merong corn, tapos kakainin siya ng worm na yan, ng cobworm. Tapos yung cobworm kakainin siya ng small bird. Tapos yung small bird kakainin siya ng hook. So anong mangyayari? Marami po, iba-iba po yung mga answers natin. May letter D, may Bravo, may Charlie. Ayan. Sige nga po. Now, ano mangyayari kapag namatay itong si worm, no? Pinatay siya ng pesticide, si worm. So, anong mangyayari? Is it letter A? The corn will decrease. Okay nga, magdi-decrease ba si corn? In fact, mag-i-increase 'no, yung yield ng corn kasi wala nang kakain sa kanya. Letter D, tingnan yung letter D, the worm will still reproduce. Namatay na nga siya 'no, kasi pinatay siya ng pesticide. So kapag magsagot ka ng ganito, like sa food chain, huwag ka na mag-overthink ha. Kung ano lang yung given, yun lang yung titingnan mo. O, ang letter C, the bird will thrive. Eh, paano siya magta-thrive? Eh, wala na nga pagkain, di ba? So, ang sagot natin dito ay letter B. O, tama po kayo sa Bravo. Marami pong nakatama. Marami ding naligwak. Now, don't worry po kapag nagkamali ka dito kasi ibig sabihin lang nun may natutunan ka. Okay? Wag kang matakot kahit kahit sabi ng isang Facebook user, ligwak daw. Okay lang po 'yan, at least natuto 'no, move on po tayo. So ang mangyayari mamamatay si Hook. Kasi nga wala ng worm. Tapos yung worm, 'di ba, yung predator niya is yung small bird. Tapos si small bird, mamamatay si small bird kasi wala na siyang makain. Ibig sabihin nun, mamamatay din si Hook, no? So ganyan, it shows the relationship among the species no in our ecosystem. Kaya napakahalaga na kapag yung isang population ng species is nawala siya, malaking epekto nun, no? Alright? So, sige, that would be letter B, bravo. Now, ano po ang difference ng food chain and food web? Tandaan po natin sa bawat board exam, hindi nawawala si food chain at si food web. Lumabas po siya sa season namin, nagparamdam po siya twice. Ang sagot po doon, food chain, yung isang tanong food web. Yan, last September, nagparamdam ulit. So, hindi nawawala si food chain and si food web. Ang gagawin ni PRC, iba-ibahin nila yung question. Titingnan nila kung naiintindihan mo ba talaga yung concept, okay? So, pag sinabi nating food chain, series lang siya ng organism na nag-i-eat, no? The organism that eats one another so that yung energy at yung nutrients is nagflo-flow siya, no? From one organism to the next. So, basically, it is just a series of feeding mechanism. Kapag sinabi nating food web, ang tatandaan lang po natin kapag interconnectedness. Yun yung keyword natin, interconnectedness of food chains, no? So yung mga organisms kasi yung organisms hindi lang yung isa yung kinakain niya, 'di ba? Marami siyang pwedeng kainin, intertwined. Correct. No, that's food web. Kapag linear lang, food chain 'yan, okay? Now, tandaan din po natin ang kaibahan ng autotroph and ng heterotroph. Pag sinabi nating auto, ibig sabihin kaya niyang mabuhay no siya lang kaya niyang gumawa ng sarili niyang pagkain. Gaya ng mga plants tinatawag natin itong mga producers, no? They are known as producers because they're able to make their own food from mga raw materials and energy. Examples here, we have plants, we have algae, some bacteria, no? Mga cyanobacteria, the blue-green algae, and the phytoplankton. Now, pag sinabi nating phyto, that is referring to plants. Iba yung zooplankton. Ang zooplankton, mga animals po sila, mga heterotroph po yun. Kahit same lang sila na plankton, pero kapag zooplankton, mga animals po yun. Phytoplankton, yung mga plants po siya, no? Mga producers, no? Auto, 'di ba? Sabi nga ni ma'am, automatic. Auto. So, kaya nilang gumawa ng sariling pagkain. Ang heterotroph naman, tayo, examples tayo, no? We consume. We are known as consumers. Nagko-consume tayo ng mga producers. Yan, animals, the fungi. Remember ang fungi po? Wala pong fungi, walang species ng fungi na autotroph. Heterotroph po lahat ng fungi. Kahit tingnan mo yan, bakit parang halaman naman yung fungi, ma'am, 'di ba? Pero hindi po sila plants, no? Hindi po plants ang fungi. Hindi po nila kayang mag-photosynthesize. So, it is an heterotroph, okay? Mga saprophytes po yung mga fungi. Alright, sige. Eto naman, mga types of heterotrophs. So, alam kong easy peasy lang po to sa iba, no? No-brainer, kumbaga, itong carnivore, herbivore, omnivore. Pero kailangan pa rin po nating i-review, no? So, pag sinabi natin carnivore, ito yung mga organisms na kinakain nila ay meat, no? Karne. Ang herbivore naman, they are the organisms that only eat plants. Pag sinabi nating omnivore, both plants and meat yung kinakain. Okay? Now, ang concept din ng predator and prey, mahalaga din po ito. Kapag sinabi nating predator, ito yung animal that kills and eats other animals. Siya yung kumakain. Ang prey, ito yung animals that are killed and being eaten by other animals, no? Tandaan lang po natin kaya siya tinatawag na prey kasi nagpe-pray siya, "Sana wag po akong kainin, sana wag akong kainin." Kaya prey siya. It is being hunted and eaten by predators. Ang relationship po nila, correct po kayo sir, that's predation. Alright? Predator and prey. Ang predator yung kumakain, ang prey yung kinakain. Alright? Sige. Next, number 2. The development of egg without fertilization. Ano po yan? Don't worry po. Later on, after 10 items, we'll have drills. No, we'll have a review of this para po benta si Prey, oh, 'di ba si Prey para hindi mo malimutan. Sige, ano yung tawag natin? The development of an egg without fertilization. Oh, grabe, correct ang lahat, no? That is Charlie. That is very good. Correct. Oh, that's parthenogenesis. Oh, it is a type of asexual reproduction. Bakit po siya asexual? Kasi wala pong union ng gametes, wala pong union ng ovum at ng sperm cell. O kaya asexual po siya, no? So that is parthenogenesis, the development of an egg without fertilization. Oh, nangyayari po siya yung mga insects, kaya po nila, no, that's parthenogenesis, yung mga bees and some species of snakes, no, um, undergo din sila ng ng ganito, parthenogenesis. Hindi nila kailangan ng male na gamit, no? So yan yung tinatawag nating fertilization, the development of an egg without fertilization, without the male to mate with. So they can reproduce. All right, sige, number 3. Plants convert into chemical energy the energy from. Sige, kindly comment your answers po. So, I would suggest if meron pong mga live, you comment your answers, no? You interact po. Dapat you put your finger in the pie, 'di ba? You participate. Oh, 'di ba? Okay. So, teka lang. Ibabalik ko muna ha. Sige, ano ba itong mitosis? May nag-ano kasi, ang 'pag sinabi nating mitosis, ito yung process ng cell duplication in which yung one cell divides into two genetically identical daughter cells. And tandaan po natin yung processes niya, PMAT. Ano ba yung PMAT? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Baka po ipa-arrange po siya sa inyo, no? PMAT, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Pag sinabi natin fertilization po, fertilization, syempre, that's the union of the sperm and the ovum to form zygote. Yan. Ang binary fission naman, this is the most common form of reproduction in prokaryotes, no? Kapag sinabi nating prokaryotes, yun yung mga bacteria. Alright? Mga bacteria. Okay? So, sana po naintindihan. Sige, number 3. Oh, may nagsagot na po dito. Number 3. That's sunlight. Very good. Diba? Madali lang po, no? Oh, that is sunlight. Plants convert into chemical energy the energy from. Ano pong tawag natin dito sa process na ito? Oh, hindi po 'to nawawala sa board exam. Ano po ang tawag natin sa process of converting chemical energy to um no, light energy, sorry, converting light energy to chemical energy in the form of glucose. Of course, that's photosynthesis. And ito po yung equation ng photosynthesis natin. For the science majors natin dyan, you memorize this equation. Now, ang tatanungin lang sa inyo sa general education, what are the raw materials needed for photosynthesis? Ano yung raw materials na kailangan? Siyempre, nandyan yung sunlight and the carbon dioxide plus water. Now, ang question, ano yung end product ng photosynthesis? O end product. Ang sagot natin, glucose and oxygen. Okay? Now, pagtanong lang is, ano yung waste product ng photosynthesis? Ang sagot natin ay oxygen. Okay? So, that's photosynthesis, carbon dioxide plus water. Then, there's sunlight. So, yung sunlight po, inaabsorb po siya ng green pigment sa ating leaves na tinatawag nating chlorophyll. Yan po yung nagka-capture ng energy from the sunlight, no? From the sun. Alright, so that's glucose and oxygen, yung end product natin. So, ang conversion po niya is from light to chemical. Sige nga, pag-usapan natin tong energy transformation. Speaking of energy, by the way, ang concept po ng energy, dapat tandaan po natin ang energy, yung law of conservation of energy. We cannot create energy, we cannot destroy energy, but it is only transformed to different form. O, gaya nito. For example, here, look at this one, yung sa television. O, pag sinaksak mo siya, galing siya electrical, napuproduce siya into sound and light. Ito namang generator, ito yung commonly tinatanong, ang generator ha. Generator is mechanical to electrical. O syempre panghuli yung electrical kasi nga usually pag brown out no, kailangan gumagamit tayo ng generator para may electricity tayo. So mechanical to electrical. Now, Ang chemical to mechanical naman, o gaya nito, that's fuel, yung fuel po natin, meron po siyang mga chemicals. Tapos kapag ginamit na siya ng sasakyan, nagiging mechanical na po siya. Next, ito namang, food natin yung food natin is meron po siyang mga chemical 'no, chemical energy. Tapos kapag ginamit na po natin, um that's mechanical na. Okay, and itong toaster naman, 'yan, 'pag sinaksak mo, iinit po siya 'no, so electrical to thermal. And ito namang sa flashlights natin, yung batteries is meron po siyang chemical, may mga lithium ions po 'yan. Kaya, 'pag, na-convert na siya into different form of energy, in the form of light na siya, chemical to light, alright? Sige, medyo mahina po ba yung internet connection? Alright, balik po tayo. Okey lang po ba yung internet connection natin? Okey, okey. So, sakto lang pala. Siguro sa iba na sa, signal niyo lang po siguro 'yan ma'am. Medyo, ano po kasi dito, may, medyo umuulan po siya 'no. Anyway, sige balik po tayo. Meron po tayong renewable and non-renewable na energy. So, 'pag sinabi po nating renewable, it is yung mga resource that can be used repeatedly and does not run out because it is naturally replaced, such as solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, and the biomass. Pag non-renewable naman, and natural substance that is not replenished with the speed at which it is consumed. So it is a finite resource like yung fossil fuels natin, yung petroleum, yung oil, the natural gas, and the coal. Yan po mga non-renewable. Pag sinabi nating alternative, no, mayroon pong alternative energy source, ang sagot po natin do'n, nuclear. Alright? Nuclear. Anong form of energy ang nuclear? That's an alternative energy resource. Alright? Sige, number 4 po tayo. Sige, comment your answers and lagyan niyo po ng number. Number 4. When a plant cell is placed in a hypertonic solution, the plant cell the plant cell will A. Expand, B. Rupture, C. Shrink, and or D. Have no effect on the plant cell. Hypertonic po. Hypertonic. Sige nga, ano po ang sagot natin dito? Hypertonic. Itong mga solutions na ito, hindi po din 'to nawawala 'no, sa lalong-lalo na sa general education. Hypertonic, yan, it will shrink po, tama po kayo. So, ang tandaan lang po natin, hyper, i-pronounce niyo po yung letter R, hyper, hypertonic. Ibig sabihin, magsi-shrink 'no, shrink, hypertonic, shrink yung cell. Yan po yung hypertonic shrink. So, ang mangyayari po sa hypertonic solution, liliit po yung cell, magpa-plasmolyze po siya, it will shrink, it will shrivel, yan 'no. So ang hypotonic naman, 'pag sinabi nating hypotonic, it will swell, hypotonic, puputok po siya. It will burst 'no, it will expand, yan po yung hypotonic. Then meron din tayong tinatawag na isotonic. Yung isotonic naman po, mangyayari sa kanya is, wala pong net movement, na wala pong mangyayari. There will be no net movement of water kasi both naman po equal yung solute and the solvent. Yan po ha. So, hypo, swell, it will expand, it will burst, lalaki po, kumbaga yung cell. Hyper, it will shrink, it will shrivel. Alright? Sige. Next. Nandito pala, sorry, hindi ko na next. Hypertonic, yan. Isotonic, and then the hypotonic solution. Okay? Sige, next, number 5. Number 5, 5 po tayo. Sige, basahin niyo po, and then, you comment your answers. Which of the following best describes a group of cells that work together to perform a function? Sige nga po, anong sagot natin dito? Sa levels of biological, organization po ito, and mind you, palagi siyang bumabalik sa board exam. Ang nangyayari, iba-ibahin nila yung question 'no, tapos same lang naman yung concept. ite-test lang kung naiintindihan mo nga ba talaga. Sige, yan po ay tissue. Oh, marami pong that is tissue, a group of cells. Oh, yan. Sige, later on, i-discuss natin yung levels of biological organization, ha? Sige, tissue po yan. So, meron tayong four major types of tissues in our body. The nervous tissue, nasa brain po natin yan, mga neurons. The muscle tissue, for the names, as the name suggests, sa muscles po natin. Kapag epithelial naman, o yung nasa skin, ito yung pinakamabilis mag-reproduce, no? Yung epithelial tissue sa mga linings ng organs natin. And then, we have connective tissues. Ito namang connective tissues, as the name suggests, connect. No? It connects. So we have two connective tissues na kailangan nating tandaan. So kapag nakita ka, ano yung connective tissue na nagko-connect ng bone sa another bone? O bone to bone. Bone to bone, that's ligament. O yan, ligament po yan ha. Connect a bone to a bone. How about muscle to a bone? O ano yung connective tissue na yan na nagko-connect sa muscle to a bone? Muscle to a bone, that's tendon po. Okay? So, tendon po yan. Alright? So, yan po yung tatandaan natin. By the way, yung blood po natin, isa po siyang form ng connective tissue, no? Yung blood natin. Okay. Sige, ito na yung levels of biological organization na hindi nawawala sa board exam. O, yan. So, ang cell, syempre, that's a group of organelles. That's the basic and the smallest unit of life, the smallest functional unit of life, no? Yan yung cell natin. Then, a group of cell, yan yung tissues. Then, a group of tissues, yan yung organs. Ano ba yung mga organs sa katawan natin? O, yung, yung lungs, yung heart, the stomach, the intestine, yan, mga organs po yan. Then, a group of organ, that comprises the organ system. Ano ba yung mga organ systems on our body? We have the muscular system, the integumentary system, ano pa, the respiratory system, the digestive system, yun, yung mga system sa katawan natin. And kapag pinagsama po natin lahat ng system na yan, that comprises the organism. Alright? Organism. Then, a group of organism, that is the population. Pag sinabi nating population, same species lang po sila. Okay? Same species lang. Ang population ay yung basihan natin, dapat same sila na species within a specific period of time and within a specific territory. May boundary po siya, no? Population. For example, dito sa amin sa Cebu, ilan ba yung current population dito sa Cebu? Yung bibilangin lang is yung mga tao na taga dito lang sa Cebu, no? Hindi yung kasali yung taga sa ibang probinsya. Alright? So, dito lang sa Cebu. Within a specific boundary po. Yan yung population. Kapag sinabi naman natin community, community. That's a group of population. Ang tandaan po natin dito sa tanong, quite tricky kasi itong community and ecosystem. Kapag sinabi natin community, mga living organisms lang po ang ibig sabihin nito ha sa community. Living organisms. Hindi po kasali yung mga abiotic factors in the ecosystem, yung mga walang buhay. Hindi po kasali. Ano ba yung mga abiotic factors natin? We have the wind, yung rock, the soil, the temperature. Basically, the soil is meron siya mga life forms, no? Pero consider natin siya na abiotic in this one. So that's community, a group of population, and ecosystem naman. Ecosystem is a group of community, a group of organism, no, na merong interaction with the physical environment. Yan, no? So that's the ecosystem. And on some levels of biological organization, after the ecosystem, meron pang biome. So after the ecosystem, that's the biome. And then the last one is the biosphere. Okay? The biosphere. Okay lang po yan lang, ma'am, na medyo na late. Sige, later on, i-recall din po natin, ha? Sige, so again, cell, tissues, organs, organ systems, organism, population, community, ecosystem, and the biosphere. Okay? Sige, next, number 6 po. Kindly comment your answers. Ano yung branch of zoology that is devoted to the study of birds? Study of birds? Sige po, be interactive po. Mag-interact po kayo sa comments natin. You share this one with your friends, sa mga kakilala nyo na magte-take ng Let This March, no? So, in that way po, makakatulong din po kayo sa kanila. Sige, number 6, alam na alam ng lahat, no? Alam na alam ng taong bayan. That is correct. That is ornithology. Kapag study of birds, ornithology po yan. Alam nyo, ang kalamitang tinatanong sa board exam, yung study of birds at yung study of fish. Yan. Ano yung study of fish? Sige nga, ano yung study of fish? That's Ecology, yung option bravo, no? That's the study of fish. Okay? Sige. Ano yung tawag natin sa study of amphibians and reptiles? Study of amphibians and reptiles. Okay, so yes po, fish pala yung B. Correct, sir. Or ma'am. Or sure na lang. Sige, that's herpetology, correct. Herpetology has study of amphibians and reptiles. That's herpetology. Ano yun naman tawag natin sa study of cells? Study of cells? Sige nga. Study of cells, that's cytology. Correct. Cytology. Wala pong letter H, no? Cytology na walang letter H. Alright. So, next, study of plants. Yes, good evening, Lord Calvin. Itong si Sir, palagi ko lang talaga 'tong nakikita sa, mga na lecture ko. Good evening po from Bicol. O, 'di ba alam ko kung taga saan ka, Sir, 'no? Correct po, that's botany, okay? Sige, study of fungi. Study of fungi, ano yung tawag natin sa study of fungi? That's mycology, okay? Mycology po, alright. So, binabasa ko yung mga comments niyo dito. Next, study of parasites and their host. Anong tawag natin dyan? Study of parasites and their host. Yan. That's parasitology po yan. Parasitology. Yes, sure ko magta-top yan si Sir. So that's parasitology. Next, what we call that science of genes and heredity, the study of genes and heredity, the scientific study of genes and heredity. And kilala niyo ba yan si Gregor Mendel? O, siya yung father of genetics. Ang sagot po natin ay genetics, no? Study of genes and heredity, that's genetics. And the father of genetics is Gregor Mendel. Ano yung tawag natin sa study of study of animals? Study of animals. That's ang cute ng lion, no? That's zoology. Alright? That's zoology. Okay? Sige. Yung study of fossils naman, ano yung study of fossils? Ito yung trabaho ni Ross, no? Ross Geller sa Friends. Kung nanonood kayo ng Friends. That's paleontology. Ano yung tawag natin sa scientist na nagsa-study ng fossils? Ang tawag natin ay paleontologist. Alright? Paleontologist. Okay? Sige, let's proceed to number 7. Let's proceed to number 7. Intensive agriculture and industrial practices may result to eutrophication. Which of the following is the possible consequence of this environmental activity? Eutrophication. Ano ba yung concept ng eutrophication? Letter A, the water will be less turbid and odor-free. Letter B, there will be a significant decrease in the water harvest by fishermen. Letter C, the toxicity of water will be lessened. O, di ba yung letter A and C is puro sila positive, no? Or letter D, the biochemical oxygen demand, BOD, will decrease. Sige, ang sagot po natin dito ay alright. So, I think siguro familiar ang halos lahat, no? Okay, so that is correct po. That would be letter B. There will be a significant decrease in the water by harvest and in the water harvest by fishermen. So ano po ba yung eutrophication? So ang nangyari dito sa eutrophication, there will be too much nutrients in the bodies of water, 'di ba? So everything that is too much is really not good. 'Di ba yung nutrients, mahalaga daw na mayroong nutrients. Pero, hindi po siya maganda na ma masosobra po yung nutrients, 'no, sa bodies of water. Saan po ba galing yung mga nutrients na 'yan? Galing po siya sa mga fertilizers, 'no, na nilalagay natin sa soil. Tapos yung water is eventually pupunta siya sa bodies of, um, sa mga bodies of water like on the rivers. Tapos yung tubig sa river papunta siya sa ocean, o 'di ba? So, lahat naman ng mga sources natin sa tubig is nagiging basin nun is yung ocean natin. Okay? So, ito yung eutrophication, ha. Ito yung process na in which the water becomes overly enriched with nutrients. So, ang nangyayari, there will be an excessive growth of algae or yung tinatawag nating algal bloom. Itong mga algae kasi, ang bilis nilang gumamit ng oxygen. So, kailangan there will be a depletion of oxygen. Yung oxygen, kailangan po yun ng mga marine life. O ano na mangyayari sa mga marine life if madi-deprive na sila sa oxygen? So, mangyayari, magkakaroon ng dead zone. Yung dead zone, yan po yung area kung saan less to no oxygen na po. So, mamamatay po yung mga organism, yung mga isda. O, ang mabubuhay lang marami is yung mga algae. Kasi kukunin nila yung oxygen. Yan. Alright? So, that's eutrophication. Ang tandaan po natin sa eutrophication, mga keywords po natin is yung algal bloom, diminished sea harvest of fishermen. Ano ba yan si Sir Vamps? Pati yung pagmamahal niya tinangay na papunta sa iba. No, ma-relate talaga sa buhay, no? Okay, sige. Now, we have these terms as well, bioremediation and phytoremediation. Pag sinabi nating bio, that's life, no? Bioremediation, that's the process that uses microorganisms. Yung mga microorganisms po, gaya ng bacteria, ng fungi, yung mga algae, ang ginagawa po nila, bini-breakdown nila or nini-neutralize nila yung pollutants sa environment natin. That's bioremediation. Ang phytoremediation naman, phyto, di ba nga sinabi ko kanina, phytoplankton o halaman. Phyto, that involves the use of plants. Ang gagawin ng plants, i-absorb niya yung mga toxic chemicals, yung mga pollutants na nasa soil, na nasa water, or nasa air natin. That's phytoremediation. An example of a plant na makakagawa nito is yung sunflower, no? Napakaganda po ng sunflower. Hindi lang po for aesthetic, no, na purpose, but also may purpose din po siya sa pag-detoxify, no, sa ating soil. So yan po ang mga sunflower natin. That's phytoremediation, and then we have the bioremediation. Okay, next, number 8. Number 8, keep your comments coming and kindly share this live to your friends. Yes po, hello po, good evening. Ano po yan, ma'am, kakaisip sa tamang sagot, sasakit daw yung ulo. Okay, that's letter, that's winter or cold season, winter sleep, that's hibernation, correct. Yung frog, ang ginagawa niya, natutulog siya during winter. Kasi ang mangyayari dito sa organism, magsuslow yung metabolic processes niya, yung magiging inactive siya during that time, during winter, no? Winter sleep. That's hibernation. Iko-conserve niya, i-save niya yung energy niya. Kasi mahihirapan siyang maggalaw-galaw kasi nag-winter, di ba? So, that's winter sleep. So, ang gagawin niya is matutulog siya, no? That's hibernation. Next, here, the difference between hibernation and estivation. Pag sinabi nating estivation, this is during summer naman, no? Nagiging low yung metabolic processes ng organism during summer. That's summer sleep, that's estivation. Kapag winter, that's hibernation. Okay? Sige. So yan po ay behavior, no, ng ating mga animals, and that falls under this study, the study of animal behavior. That's ecology. Okay, ecology. Um iba yung study of animals. Kapag sinabi nating study of animals, ang sagot natin zoology. Pero kapag study of animal behavior, that's ethology. Okay, ethology yan. Next, number 9. Sige nga, comment kayo sa sagot nyo sa number 9. Ano yung virtual hibernate? Natutulog? Okay. Sige, kapag inaantok kayo, wow, grabe naman, 7 PM pa lang inaantok ka na diyan. Huwag kang mag-antok-antok. Anong oras ba kayo natutulog? Dapat, mag-study po kayo, no, hanggang kaya niyo, hanggang kaya ng katawan niyo. Grabe naman, no, na ganitong oras natutulog na. Dapat mag-study ka. Very good po ang sambayanan. Very good. That is correct. That is surface tension po. Yun yung surface tension, ha. Yung tandaan natin kapag nagfo-float sa water, yung paper clip, yung needle, and some insects, float sila, nakakalakad sila sa bodies of water, sa surface of water. That's due to surface tension. Okay? Sige, ang atmospheric pressure, of course, may weight po yung pressure natin sa ating air. Then the buoyancy, it is the upward force, no, na nire-release ng weight ng bodies of water for us to float. Then the viscosity, it has something to do with the resistance to flow. Alright? Sige. Number 10. Sige, number 10. Ano po yung sagot natin dito? Fungi. Oh, teka lang. May nagsagot na nito kanina. Yung number 10. May nagsagot na nito kanina. Yung fungi. Yung role ng fungi in the ecosystem. Oh, sila po yung mga saprophyte. Oh, ano ba yung mga saprophytes na yan? They absorb, no, the nutrients from dead organism. No, napakalaki po ng role ng mga fungi. They are the decomposers. Imagine niyo kapag walang decomposers, so ang nangyayari kapag mamamatay ang isang organism is nandiyan lang siya, no? So yan, yun yung role ng mga saprophytes, no? They feed on these dead organisms, no? They absorb the nutrients of that organism. That's saprophytes, no? That's fungi. Okay? Sige nga po, review tayo. Drills tayo. Sagot-sagot lang kayo dyan ha sa pwede na hindi comment or you can just shout your answer over there. Sige, tell me if it is food chain or food web. It includes intertwined, interconnected food chain, no, feeding relationship between different organism. Ano po 'yan? That's food web. Oh, food web na po 'yan. Now, series of feeding mechanism lang, linear ang flow, food chain na po 'yan. Tell me if it is autotroph or heterotroph. They are known as producers. Oh, producers. Mga producers. Grabe si Miss, Japile, web. Ang haba naman ng web, o 'di ba? So ibig sabihin na 'pag web, no, maraming involved, no, mahaba daw. So that's web. Next, sige ano nga 'yun? Producers o yung mga autotrophs. How about yung nagko-consume ng mga producers or other consumers? That's heterotrophs. Okay, correct. How about plants? O yung mga algae, mga some types of bacteria, mga phytoplanktons. Ano po 'yon? Mga autotrophs. Okay? Now, yung dogs, yung birds, yung mga isda, tayo, of course, we are heterotrophs. Alright? Now, tell me, anong type ng heterotroph? Yung mga animals that both eat meat and plants. Anong tawag natin dyan? Both kinakain niya plants and karne. Mga omnivores. How about the animals that eat plants only? Yun yung mga herbivores. Yung mga animals naman that eat meat only. Mga carnivores naman yan. Sige, tell me if it is a prey or a predator. Yung animals that are killed and eaten by other animals. Prey or predator. Animals that are killed and eaten by other animals. Yan ay prey. Oh, yung nagpe-prey, no, na sana hindi ka kainin. Next, an animal that kills and eats other animals, o syempre, yung predator. Makikita po natin sometimes yung mga nasa videos po online or either on National Geographic, no, yung mga kinakain yung mga prey nila, parang medyo naahawa tayo, pero yan po yung law ng nature natin. Oh, that's that's nature po, no, na kailangan para magiging balance yung ecosystem natin, o kailangan merong kakainin na organism. Alright, sige, proceed tayo. Ano pa? Ano yung tawag natin sa development of an egg without fertilization? Development of an egg without fertilization. That's parthenogenesis. Correct. Ano naman yung tawag natin sa process of cell division in which one cell divides into two genetically identical daughter cells? Yan ay okay, medyo may delay nga sa comments. But anyway, let's proceed. Pagsagot-sagot ka lang din yan. Correct, that's mitosis. Ano po yung processes natin sa mitosis? PMAT, no? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and the telophase. Now, ano yung most common form of reproduction in prokaryotes? Ano nga ulit yung prokaryotes? Walang true nucleus, mga bacteria. Basta prokaryotes, that's bacteria. O, yan ay binary fission. O, yan yung way nila pag-reproduce, no? Binary fission. Ano yung tawag natin sa union of the gametes? Union of the sperm and the female gamete. That's fertilization. Okay. Ano naman yung tawag natin sa process of food production in plants? The process of food production in plants. That's photosynthesis. Correct, no? Photosynthesis po siya. Ano yung raw materials na kailangan natin for photosynthesis? We have sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. No? And ano naman yung end product of photosynthesis? We have two, glucose and oxygen. Photogo. Photosynthesis, glucose, and oxygen. By the way, ang reverse process ng photosynthesis is yung cellular respiration. Ang kailangan po ng cellular respiration is yung end product ng photosynthesis ko, yung glucose and oxygen. Reverse lang siya, wag ka nang mag-overthink. Reverse ng photosynthesis, that's the cellular respiration. Okay, ano yung tawag natin sa green pigment sa plant na nag-absorb ng energy from the sunlight? Green pigment, that's the chlorophyll. Okay, the chlorophyll po, yan. Next, sa energy transformation naman, mechanical to electrical. Ano po yan? Mechanical to electrical. That's generator. Okay? Generator po. Now, yung reverse naman, electrical to mechanical. Ano naman yan? That's the motor yan. Okay? Motor po yan. Electrical to mechanical, that's motor. Mechanical to electrical, generator po yan. Now, tell me, anong type siya ng anong type siya ng energy resource natin? Is it renewable or non-renewable? Mga fossil fuels. Yung coal, yung oil, no, mga petroleum, natural gas, ano po sila? Mga non-renewable po sila, no? How about nuclear? Ano po ang nuclear? Nuclear is alternative and non-renewable, no? Alternative and non-renewable ang nuclear, no? Alternative ang nuclear. Pag sinabi kasi nating alternative, less yung harm effect niya sa ating environment, no? So that's alternative, that's nuclear. How about yung wind, no? The solar, the geothermal, ano pa? Hydro, biomass, pati na rin yung tidal wave. Oh, that's renewable po, no? Renewable energy resource. Sige, punta tayo sa cell. Anong mangyayari sa cell in a solution na magshi-shrink yung anong tawag natin sa solution na yan? If magshi-shrink yung cell, magshi-shrivel siya, mapaplasmolize siya. No, plasmolize meaning shrinkage of the cell. That is shrink, hypertonic, may letter R. Kapag magsiswell siya, it would expand, it would burst, ibig sabihin lalaki yung cell, hypotonic o hypotok, puputok yung cell, no? It will expand, it will burst, no? That's hypotonic. What if there will be no net movement kasi equal yung solute, equal yung solvent? That's isotonic naman yon. Wow, ang gagaling naman. That's isotonic naman yon. Sige, anong connective tissue naman ang bone to bone? Sige nga, bone to bone, that's ligament. Okay? Muscle to bone, MTB. Oh, that's tendon, MTB. Muscle, tendon, bone. MTB, muscle, tendon, bone. That's muscle to bone, that's tendon po. Memorize nga the levels of biological organization from the cell, next to cell. Now, kapag before the cell is merong atom. Before pa yung atom ha. So, atom, cell, meron pa ding organelles. Depende kasi, ganito ayan. Ang complete niyan is we have atom, we have the organelles, we have the cell, the tissues, the organs, the organ system, then the organism, population, community, ecosystem, the biome, and the biosphere. Alright? That's the levels of biological organization. So, mangyayari sa inyo, pwede siyang ipa-arrange sa inyo, no? Mula sa pinaka-maliit hanggang sa pinakamalaki. Alright? Sige, punta naman tayo sa study. Ano yung tawag natin sa study of birds? Study of birds, that's ornithology. How about study of plants? Plants, botany yon. Fish, study of fish. Ecology naman yon. How about the study of cells? Cytology. Study of fungi. Mycology yun, no? How about the study of genes and heredity? That's genetics. Sino yung father of genetics? Gregor Mendel. Study of animals? Zoology. Study of animal behavior? Ethology yan. Ano yung tawag natin sa state of inactivity ng isang organism during winter or yung tinatawag nating winter sleep? That's hibernation. Kapag summer sleep naman, that's estivation. Correct. Ano naman yung process in which there will be an accumulation of nutrients in the bodies of water. There will be enriched nutrients. Ang mangyayari, it would result to algal bloom or excessive growth of algae, and there will be significant diminished in the sea harvest of fishermen. That's eutrophication naman, na eutrophication. Ano naman yung tawag natin kung saan gumagamit tayo ng microorganisms to break down pollutants in our environment. Microorganism yung ginamit. That's bioremediation. Ginagamit siya kapag may mga oil spills, no, sa dagat. That's bioremediation. Then phytoremediation naman kapag plants naman yung ginagamit. Alright? So, ang paperclip, ang needle, ang insects, they can walk on water, on surface of water due to surface tension. Ano yung role ng mga, ito na, ito yung role ng mga fungi natin. They are the saprophytes. Okay? Sige. Sige. Proceed tayo, number 11. Kindly comment your answers. Number 11. Nasa surface tension pa yung iba. Sige, sige. Number 11, which of the environmental law requires industries to install anti-pollution devices and bans the use of incinerators? Okay, mukhang alam na alam to ng lahat, no? Si Sir, ang dami niyang sagot. Ay. Ang yabang, sige. Okay, that's nice, no? Alam po to, no? Alam po to ng lahat. Sige, that's Clean Air Act. That's Republic Act 8749. Na Philippine Clean Air Act. Sino yung presidente ng panahon na ito? Sige nga, sino yung president during this time? This is the Philippine Clean Air Act of 1999. Sino yung presidente 1999? That's si Joseph Estrada po, no? So, si Joseph Estrada, yung presidente natin dito, no? The Philippine Clean Air Act, RA 8749, ban po yung use ng incinerators. Okay, install anti-pollution devices. Okay, now we have these two na kailangan nating tandaan, ang Kyoto Protocol and the Paris Agreement. Kapag sinabi natin Kyoto Protocol, ito lang, na pagkakasunduan ng mga developed countries na ililes nila yung produce, no, ng mga greenhouse gases like the carbon dioxide. Yan, no, i-reduce nila yung emission ng mga greenhouse gases. The developed nations lang, the developed countries. Then, ang Paris Agreement, ano yung pari? Far. May mga keyword kayo dyan, no, na para mas maintindihan. Sige, ang Paris Agreement, developed countries plus developing countries. Okay, yon ha. Ang Kyoto Protocol, developed countries only. Ang Paris Agreement, developed countries and the developing countries. Kasali na din sila. No? Alangan naman yung mga developed countries lang yung magre-reduce ng greenhouse emission nila. Syempre, sasalihin din natin yung ibang nations, no? Kasi obligasyon po natin lahat, no? It is a social responsibility yung pag-take care natin sa environment natin. Okay? Number 12, which is the richest type of tropical rainforest in the Philippines. Sige nga, ano po yung pinakamarami, the most abundant? Tropical rainforest. We are in a tropical region. We are in a tropical biome. O kaya mainit-init po dito sa atin because we are near the equator. No, yung sun rays na nare-receive natin, yung sun insolation is higher po siya compared sa other areas on the planet. Okay, this is Dipterocarp. Ito po yung itsura ng Dipterocarp. No? That's the Dipterocarp forest. Marami pong laligwak, hindi po mangrove forest, but Dipterocarp po. This is Bravo, Dipterocarp forest. So, ito yung pinakamarami, most especially in areas in Mindanao. No? Marami pong mga ganitong forest. Alright, number 13. Ito, sa states of matter naman tayo. Sige, okay lang po 'yan na naligwak pero natuto. Tama po kayo, Ma'am Jane 'no, move on kaagad. 'Yan yung palaging sinasabi ni Coach Mec, 'di ba? Oh, 'pag naligwak, move on. Kasi natuto naman, oh, nalaman mo din kung ano yung tamang sagot, oh, ibig sabihin may learning ka 'no. So, 'wag mahiya na you will get the answer incorrectly kasi that's really okay. As long as, oh, dito pa lang, 'wag naman sana sa pagdating ng board exam. So, 'wag po tayong maging tanga-tanga ha. Oh, 'di ba now, varied po yung answers natin. We have Delta, we have Alpha, we have Bravo. Oh, walang nag-Charlie. So, ano bang sagot natin dito? Most matter in the universe is in what state? This is plasma po. Okay, plasma po. Ano po yung plasma? That's the fourth state of matter. So, yan. Plasma yan. Yung mga stars. Yung sun natin. The sun is the only star in our solar system. Remember that ha? Yung sun natin, yun yung nag-iisang star natin sa solar system. Ma'am, ano naman yung mga stars na nakikita natin at night? So, sobrang layo na po ng mga stars na yan. Hindi po siya kasali sa solar system natin. So, yung sun lang, yung nag-iisang star sa ating solar system. So, that's the yung most matter in the universe is in the plasma na state. So, examples of plasma is we have auroras. O, yan. So, auroras, yung aurora borealis, yung aurora australis in the South Pole. Then lightning, oh, that's a plasma, yung mga highly ionized particle, highly charged particle, plasma ball, the nuclear fireball, neon, mga neon lights, oh, sa wielding. Fire, oh, fire is also a plasma. Kasi nga, kung iisipin mo yung plasma, ay yung fire, hindi naman siya solid, hindi din siya liquid, hindi din siya gas. Oh, 'di ba? So it is a plasma. Okay, wow, advances si Sir Jim Carl, no? The Bose-Einstein condensate, that's the fifth state of matter, pero hindi na siya commonly tinatanong. Ang commonly tinatanong lang sa Gen Ed, maybe sa majorship natin, no, sa science. Ang commonly tinatanong sa Gen Ed is yung fourth state of matter. Ang sagot natin, plasma. Meron pa yan, eh, yung plasma puwede din itanong sa blood natin, that's the liquid portion of blood and 55% of our blood is plasma. That's the liquid portion of our blood 'no, that's the plasma. Okay, sige now kapag sinabi nating solid po, yung particles po niya tightly packed, fixed po yung arrangement 'no, minimal lang yung movement ng ating molecules and meron siyang definite shape, meron siyang definite volume. 'Pag sinabi naman nating liquid, molecules niya ay close lang together but they can move past each other. They allow the substance to flow and they take the shape of the container. Oh, pero hindi po fix yung shape niya pero fix yung volume niya. Oh, 'di ba yung liquid for example, a water, pwede naman nating sabihin na 20 ml of water o 1 liter of water. Oh, that's fixed volume pero hindi po fix yung shape niya kasi yung shape niya nakadepende po siya sa container. Now the gas, ang tandaan po natin sa gas, yung molecules niya are widely spaced, they move freely, wala po siyang fixed volume, wala din siyang fixed shape. Now, ito naman mga phase changes, memorize this one ha. Napakahalaga nito. Now, ang common lang naman na lumalabas is itong sublimation, solid to gas. Solid to gas, that's sublimation. Yan, solid to gas, solid to gas, solid. Oh, it starts with letter S. Oh, that's sublimation. Solid to gas, sublimation. Example po dito is yung dry ice. Dry ice, no? Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide. No? So that's sublimation, solid to gas. Then we have gas to solid, that's deposition. Um, solid to liquid, that's melting. Then liquid to solid, that's freezing. So ang gagawin nyo lang is you draw this one or I mean like isulat niyo siya, i-visualize niyo siya para mas ma-remember mo, no? Then we have liquid to gas, yung liquid nagiging gas, vaporization 'yon. And yung gas nagiging liquid, that's condensation. Tapos yung plasma, the fourth state of matter, yung gas to plasma, that's ionization. Plasma to gas, that's recombination. Alright? Sige. Correct. Mousse balls po or yung mga naphthalene balls, yung sublimation, ay yung mga like parang yung mga mukhang Mentos na nasa cabinet niyo, yung mga puti, nilalagay, yung perfume ng mga cockroach, yung nilalagay sa cabinet niyo, that's the naphthalene balls, sublimation po 'yan. Okay, number 14. Sige, number 14 po tayo, number 14. Dito naman tayo sa part of the cell, hindi po 'to nawawala 'no. Sige. So, it provides energy to the cell by breaking down. Wow, maraming salamat po, ma'am. Isa daw ako sa kanyang hinahangaan. Alam niyo, nakakataba siya ng puso, 'no? Kilala ko 'to si ma'am. taga dito to near sa amin. Mga marami na akong familiar na names na nakikita 'no. Okay, bakit iba-iba yung sagot natin? May nagsagot ng Delta, ng Charlie, ng ano pa, may Bravo. May lysosome, ano pong yung sagot, bakit iba-iba po ang sagot natin dito? This is simply the powerhouse of the cell. O ano ba yung powerhouse ng cell? The mitochondrion. O, mitochondria is plural, mitochondrion is singular. O, that provides this energy o energy provider. Kaya siya tinatawag na powerhouse kasi nagpo-provide siya ng energy. Very interesting tong organelle na mitochondria because it has a life of its own. Meron siyang DNA, no, yung mitochondria. Kaya nga may endosymbiotic theory na tayo daw is galing tayo sa isang prokaryote na nag-i-engulf ng mitochondria o nag-i-evolve into eukaryotes. Oh, 'di ba kasi yung mitochondria, they can produce on its own, they can move freely in the cytoplasm. So basically, it's like a living being na nasa loob ng cell. Oh, 'di ba? It is capable of reproducing itself. Oh, it contains its own deoxyribo. Meron siyang DNA. Konti lang kasi most of the DNA is nasa nucleus naman, 'di ba? Pero meron siyang konting DNA ang mitochondria. So ganyan ang mitochondria po, no? Mitochondrion is the powerhouse of the cell. Kasi mitochondrion is singular, mitochondria ay plural. Pag sinabi nating mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. Oh, that's grammatically correct. Alright, sige next. Ito yung parts ng cell natin. Ang tandaan lang po natin, ito lang. Yung mga parts ng commonly asked na question sa parts ng cell is yung protein synthesis. The site of protein synthesis. Ano yan? That's ribosome. The site of protein synthesis, ribosome. The largest organelle in the animal cell. O, iba yung animal cell, iba yung plant cell. Largest organelle. Ano yung habol sa February 14? Ano yung gagawin niyo sa February 14? Alam niyo ang problema natin dito sa mga March takers. Marami kasing ganap sa buhay natin. O, maraming holidays, merong Pasko, merong New Year. Tapos sa February may Valentine's pa, o 'di ba? So ang dami ang dami pong ganap sa buhay natin, oh. Tapos sa'min dito sa Cebu is, may sinulog pa kami, oh, recently lang, oh, 'di ba? So, maraming distractions talaga. Kaya dito yung consistency natin sa pag-aaral talaga. Okay, saan tayo? Largest organelle in the animal cell, that's the nucleus. Ano yung tawag natin? Sa jelly-like fluid where organelles are located. O ito yung wala sa virus. Kaya ang virus, hindi po siya considered as a living being kasi wala pong, pre-board pala. yung, yung February 14. Okay. Sige. Saan nga ulit ako? Yung jelly-like fluid po natin ay yung cytoplasm. O, yung cytoplasm yung wala sa virus kasi ang virus po hindi po siya living being kasi wala siyang cell. Kasi going back to the technical definition of the life, o 'di ba? Dapat merong cell. Pero walang cell ang virus, no? It's not a living thing. Next, ano pa? The site of photosynthesis. That's the chloroplast. Ang chloroplast is makikita lang po siya sa plant cell. Okay? Sige, water storage organelle. Ito yung pinakamalaking organelle sa plant cell. That's the vacuole. Alright? Again, the powerhouse, the one that breaks glucose into simpler units in the form of ATP, the adenosine triphosphate. Yan yung fuel po sa katawan natin. Nagbibigay sa atin ng energy. That's the mitochondria, no? It breaks down glucose into simpler units. Ano pa? The shipping and receiving center, kumbaga sa Shopee natin or sa ano pa yung mga online shop nyo. Dito yung packaging factories, dito sinusort out. That's the Golgi apparatus, the Golgi body, the Golgi complex, same lang po yan. Okay? Sige, sana po, nagets lang po yun. Yun lang naman yung commonly asked. Alright, now number 15. Dito tayo sa number 15. Hindi na maka-comment sa Facebook? Sige, punta na lang kayo sa YouTube or maybe sa ano